Hi, I'm Jay. Today I am going to show you how you can organize your contacts with a simple drag and drop using AMM, AllMedia Marketer. Storing your contacts in AMM will allow you to get rid of that annoying and outdated Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. All you have to do to store your contacts in AMM is save them as a CSV file, then drag and drop the file into AMM's contact management section. A pop-up box will appear asking you if you want to import the file, and you simply click OK. Within a matter of seconds, AMM will import all of your contact data in a clear and organized manner. Once your contacts are imported into AMM, you can add additional details about each contact, such as their social media profiles. You can add notes, view and send communications, schedule and view meetings, add details regarding the opportunity the contact presents, assign and view tasks associated with the contact, forms associated with the contact, and all the activity your company's had with the contact thus far. You can also view some quick information about the contact at the top of the screen. What's great about AMM is that it has an automatic IntelliScore feature. The IntelliScore feature rates each contact based on their interactions with your content. For example, if your marketing team sends an email to this list of contacts, and one of the contacts opens the email, their IntelliScore will increase. If that contact clicks on a link within the email, their IntelliScore will increase again. This feature is a great way to give your marketing and sales team quick insight into the strength of each contact, allowing them to cater their efforts appropriately. We will talk more about the IntelliScore feature, as well as other features in future videos. For now, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I am glad you have decided to take the first steps in having a well-organized business, which will in turn lead to a more effective marketing and sales process for your team and better customer service for your clients. Thank you.